Right now, as Tropical Storm Hilary is making its way north, maximum sustained winds have hovered around 60 miles per hour. It's enough to knock down trees and cause power outages there. The National Weather Service says rain was at one point falling up to 1.5 inches per hour. We know at least one person has died in Mexico after the storm touched down over the weekend before moving into the U.S. And California officials warn the worst is yet to come as the impact from Hilary is expected to last another 24 hours as that storm heads for Nevada. Hilary is the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years. And as the storm moved through, parts of Southern California were also rattled by a 5.1 magnitude earthquake. If that wasn't enough, the United States Geological Survey reporting there were at least a dozen aftershocks of 3 or greater. There were no immediate reports of significant damage. Oh boy, SoCal. Gosh, really taking it on the chin there. I guess our heat relatively is fine.
And
We'll
we
take it.
actually have some business now, some activity in the Atlantic basin. So from the Pacific to the Atlantic, Jane, yes, things are certainly stacking up.
It's the time now, right? August, September?
Yes, because we are now entering into the peak hurricane season phase.
Hard to
and
believe.
so it peaks on September 10th. So things are definitely starting to heat up, especially with the sea surface temperatures. Taking a look right now, as you see it here at your screen, at the tropical development potential, we have 2 tropical storms. We have a tropical depression, and we also have 2 more waves. As you can see, the percentages here, the probability of them developing further and becoming a named storm. We have one in the Gulf of Mexico, and this one off the coast of Africa has a 70% chance of further development. But right here in the main development region, we do have 2 named storms and a tropical depression. I can tell you now, this tropical depression is not likely to develop fully, so it would likely dissipate here over the next couple of days, if not sooner. And this tropical storm Franklin is also going to make some land interaction. It could move over land near Puerto Rico, move right over Puerto Rico. That is something we'll have to watch over the next couple of days. And this is a look at the forecast models, as there's a lot of agreement here. This is Franklin likely to move over DR and Puerto Rico. And notice that we have this depression that could run out of gas. So we're not seeing the model data go out too much further there. And notice Emily will likely stay out to sea and eventually dissipate. All is calm, all is clear tonight here in the metro tonight, in and around the Charlotte area for the Piedmont. Let's get you set for the week ahead. Temperatures will rise above average for this week. We're looking at highs in the 90s, heat index values around 100 plus. Rain chances will be few and far between throughout the week. Mainly because high pressure, we're going to have this heat dome. Right now, it's in the middle of the country. This heat is going to expand and work its way towards the Carolinas once again. So overnight tonight, temperatures will be in the 70s, in the 60s for some areas, but get ready for a very hot day tomorrow, as we'll have these temperatures coming in the mid 90s. So out the door for tomorrow morning around 72, and then by lunchtime 88, 95, 96 as we max out for tomorrow afternoon. We have a mix of sun and clouds, so you should be able to find some shade for tomorrow afternoon. By and large, I want you to take the heat seriously, work in some breaks into your day, drink your water, as well as stay cool as much as you can, especially in the middle of the day when temperatures will be the highest. In addition to that, make sure you have your sunscreen because of the high UV index. So we're looking at 97 through 98 from Monday and Tuesday. That's how temperatures could peak, and then we'll stay in the 90s throughout the week. And this time of year, anything above 88 is going to be above average.